We speak in English too. We go every country.
Okay, but I don't like the new curriculum.
Why?
Because I think it is a very boring curriculum, and also for this reason every student have to attend every classes.
I think you are absolutely wrong because new curriculum is so good for us. Am I right?
Yes, you are right.
Okay, now you are little for this reason you are not understanding, because everyone can focus in one point, okay? But in all curriculum, you have to singing, you have to dancing, you have to drawing, you have to know science, you have to know biology, you have to know chemistry, you have to know physics, and you have to know math, you have to know geography and everything. But I don't like the biology part. I don't know about biology, or I don't like the biology. So that I thought about the physics. I will take the physics part. But in new curriculum, the new curriculum divert my mind. For this reason, I am in very confusion, and also it is very dangerous for the class 9.
Okay. You said that you don't like biology. Okay. If you want chemistry, not only chemistry, if you can like any subject, so you can bad result in the class 9 like biology. Then the college you can take this system like. If you don't like biology, so you cannot get the science subject. You can get the economy.
Okay.
Am I right? That's why I think the new curriculum is so good. Why you don't like this?
Okay. How many students in here is in class 9? Please raise your hand. Class 9. Okay, then you will know about that. Our teachers are coming in the classroom and saying to us that this topic is not in your book. This topic is now the new curriculum book of class 8.
Okay.
Apu, you say you like old curriculum, but you now tell English. It is a part of new curriculum. So why you do not like? Why you do not like new curriculum?
Okay, you said that we learn English for only the new curriculum. Okay, so you want to say that before
English speaking.
English speaking. Okay.
I mean, it means presentation.
Okay. The before time we didn't know about English. In who wants to got admission in cadet, they everyone know about English, how to speak in English. But you said about in old curriculum, every student memorize themselves like composition, letters. But in my opinion, I didn't memorize anything. I all think I write on myself. Okay, and I didn't get the. I don't think that new curriculum and old curriculum is another thing, because in old curriculum there are also the exams, and in new curriculum there is also the exam, but there